Let me give you the number one reason why you're not getting premium clients. And it's not your editing, it's not your portfolio, it's actually your positioning. So here's how to fix that in just 30 days. You're good at editing, but why is no one replying? If you've tried cold outreach and then gotten silence, it's not your talent that's making it happen. It's how you approach them. And just copy-pasting templates are killing your chances in signing premium clients. So let me break down exactly why this happens and how to fix this. The biggest reason why this keeps happening is that everyone is copy-pasting templates or copy-pasting the same emails, the same structures, same everything. Because if your email sounds exactly the same as the other 50 they got this week, then why would they reply to you? So they just skip it, because it feels lazy and it doesn't stand out. Because a premium client can smell mass email in the first 2 seconds. So if your cold email could be sent to anyone, then you should send it directly to the trash. Because clients can spot templates from a mile away. No effort, then no reply. Because they are busy, and lazy templates seems like just a waste of time for them. So if you're not mentioning anything specific to them, a specific problem, a specific pitch, then they won't reply. Because just doing that extra research on them makes you stand out so much more and makes you feel so much more professional. So if you have in the beginning one real detail, then they will keep reading. Because it shows you're serious and that you haven't sent this exact message to 50 other creators. Also, if your email is only I, me, my, then it doesn't work. So instead, you need to flip it and make all of it you. So show what you do for them, how you help them win. They don't care about you. They just care about themselves, and they care about what you can do for them. One of the most important things is that you need to sound like a human and not a robot or a marketer. Write to them like you're talking to a smart friend. Write to them like you're having a conversation about the math problem in school. Make it smart and just conversational and human. Also, this isn't a job interview. Make it short. So remove everything that's not important. Do not mention what tools you use. Do not mention how fast you can do it. Do not mention anything that's not really important. Sometimes all that's needed is one sentence that really drops value. One sentence that really proves why they should work with you. Templates are shortcuts and clients know that. So pick 3 clients a day, write real thoughtful messages, and you will see such a big difference. And if you wouldn't send that message to a real human that you respect, then don't send it at all. Every email or DM you send should answer this question for the client. Why should I care? And they should do it right away. Show directly what's in there for them. Because the first line is always make or break. So grab their attention fast. Clients want 3 things. Number 1 is relevance. You need to show that you've got their world. Number 2 is value. You need to solve something for them. And number 3 is authority. You need to show that they can trust you. If you hit all these 3 points, then the clients will come running after you. But if you're missing out on one of them, then it's going to be 100 times harder for you. Then mention their problems. Use their language. If it sounds like you're already inside their world, then it's so much easier for them to trust you and then later on hire you. Because it feels like you belong there and it makes them feel seen. And the most important part, never say, I edit videos. They hear this 100 times a day. And if you send it, then you won't stand out. So instead, say what problem you solve. Save them time. Get them more views. Bring in more attention. Bring in more leads. It's one simple sentence and it makes such a big difference. Make them imagine what outcome you deliver. A quick stat beats a whole resume. Helped X get 1k more customers. That's 100% better than saying I'm experienced in editing videos. I'm experienced in doing gaming videos. You can see the difference because it's not about saying you're good, it's about showing it. Short and sharp always wins. Keep it tight, one idea per sentence, and cut out all the fluff. Every word you use should push the conversation forward, not stop it. A generic message and a message that I've gotten 100 times sounds something like, hey, I'm a video editor. but you need to be more specific. You need to stand out. You need to make them trust you. So you should write something like, saw your latest VSL. I got an idea on how to drive in more leads. The second one, the specific one, that's the one getting results. That's the one getting replies. Because being specific signals real thought and real value. Video editor for hire is really boring. Quick idea for your next video builds so much more curiosity. And that subject line gets opened. That subject line drives attention. That subject line just does everything. And then don't sell your time. Sell the results you bring. I can help you get more leads. That's what premium clients are really looking for and paying for. Because a premium client doesn't want editing. They want results and outcomes and money. So you don't really need to send 100 outreach messages a day like everyone is saying. You need 3 really thoughtful and specific ones that get opened 99% of the time. Do your research. Make it personal. Because 10 high quality outreach messages will outperform 100 lazy ones every day of the week. Write like a person. Sound real, because a little personality goes so far. Especially when everyone else that's writing to them sounds like everyone else. Just a copy-pasted template. If you wouldn't say it out loud in a call, then don't send it. But if you want to fix ghosting for good, then press the first link in the description. It takes you to a normal YouTube video with a lot of information. I'm not selling anything, just a really informative YouTube video. It breaks down what's really wrong and how to really fix it, with simple tactics and simple mistakes to fix. Because this isn't about you, it's about them. Make your message feel clear, helpful, and relevant. Think service and not self-promotion. And if you need personal help, then just DM me on Instagram. I reply to every single one and help you till you don't need help anymore. And if you want to go even more in depth and really learn how to fix it, watch this video about client ghosting. And remember, as always, don't just watch, take action.